Hello, welcome to One Person Big Difference. Shawn and Michelle Poe here, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and we're excited to have you part of this community. This is a journey for us that honestly it started years ago, but it absolutely changed everything in our life. And it looks different for everybody and what their goals and what their aspirations are. But what we do know is that we have the tools and the resources here available for all of you to get where you want to get.
Yeah, so the One Person Big Difference family, you guys, we are so excited you're here. And when you were talking, Shawn, about how this has transformed our lives, we get emotional when we think back and we reflect on what has happened since we first were introduced to this information, never doing anything like this before, and really coming into it and being and having that intuition like, ooh, I think there is something really special here. So with that being said, I know that there is a reason that you are here with us today. I know this is not by chance, and I really believe that you know that too. So really trust that. Trust the people that are here to help you. Trust the system. Follow the system. Reach out to us and know that you are here for a reason to make a big difference. And so what does that mean as far as one person big difference in our family, our culture here? It is that you can make a difference. You can make a difference in your family. You can make a difference in your work. You can make a difference at the schools, that, places that you love to donate to. Honestly, to the world. One person can make a big difference, and one person is you. As cheesy as that sounds, you guys, we have the tools, we have the products, we have the company, we have the people, and it is happening. Lives are being changed. So we are so excited that you are here. Welcome to the family. Let's go play.
Let's get started.
Yes.